you're going to see that in practice, we usually perform two distinct tasks when performing software testing. The first one is about analyzing and designing test cases, where the goal is for us to think about everything we want to test so that we are sure that our software works as expected. Usually, this phase is done by humans. Although in the second part of this course, we're going to discuss how machines and even machine learning can help us to design tests. But in this first course, this will mostly be a human activity. We're going to explore different strategies that a person can do to design good test cases, such as functional testing, boundary testing, structural testing, etc. No need to memorize these names. The second part is about executing the tests we created. And we often do it by actually running the real software or by exercising its classes and making sure that the software does what it is supposed to do. Although this phase can also be done by humans, this is an activity that we can easily automate, meaning we can write a program that runs our software and executes the test cases. Writing these test programs, or as we call, writing automated tests, is also a fundamental part of this course. So this is how this entire course will look like. We'll discuss nice techniques to design tests, and as soon as tests are designed, we will write automated tests that will automatically run the test for us. Sounds cool, right? And actually, if you're very interested in understanding why it is so hard to teach machines to design test cases for us, and therefore remove the human out of the loop, you can read this amazing paper called The Oracle Problem. So, to sum up, you should do two activities when testing software. The first one, the more human part, which is to think and design test cases in the best way possible. And the second phase, which is to execute the tests against the software under test and make sure that it behaves correctly. And that we will try to automate it as much as possible.